Hi, it's HardReset, and today I'll show you how to set up mobile hotspot on INFINIX Note 60. So first scroll from the top, and right here we have the mobile hotspot. Click and hold, then more settings. From here you can enable the personal hotspot. You have the hotspot settings. You can change the name, the password, the security, and even hide this network so only the other devices that was already connected can connect again. Also, you have the turn off hotspot automatically if no device is connected within 5 minutes. You can use Wi-Fi 6 protocol. You can use the USB or Bluetooth tethering. You have the connection management, the blacklist, so you can add some phones to your blacklist, one-time data limit, and maximum number of connected devices. And also, you can share the hotspot. Thanks for watching, don't forget to leave a like, and see you in the next one.